Hello everyone, it's Crypto Granny here, another podcast today. It's the 12th of the 12th and it's Friday, thank God. I'm really tired today. There's always so much going on in crypto land, that's for sure. Now, market cap is 1.465 trillion. 24-hour volume is still up there at 86 bill. Liquidity is well over 3 billion today, which is very, very high. Bitcoin dominance is 61.15%. Now, I do believe Bitcoin dominance, as I said, will go down to 55% within the next 2 or 3 months, okay? Which means specific altcoins will perform very well. And I say specific because there are a lot of coins and tokens in this cryptocurrency market, and not many of them will survive for the next 2 years because they have no business plan, no revenue, no clients, and the technology does not work. So let's put it this way. In the next 2 years, it's going to separate the girls from the women and the boys from the men, that's for sure. And you really need to know the technology side of cryptocurrency rather than just trading it. We manage investment portfolios, trading portfolios, and also staking portfolios as well. It's very, very important. Now, there is a lot going on today, and let's just go through the news. It's been terrific volume today. If you look at Tether, 27.7 billion, Bitcoin 11.97 bill, Ethereum 5.19 bill. The graph is up there at the 3.7 billion. Cardano 1.85 billion. XRP is up there at 1.83 billion. Then you've got Binance 1.46 billion. Dodge over a bill. Polkadot 856 mil. Tron 745 mil. Also, the graph's up 64%, 65%. We had that in our investment portfolio. We bought that in around $1.30. We've also got Cardano. We've got XRP, clearly. XRP, the way I see it, can get to 77 cents very quickly. We've also got Binance. We've been buying Binance around $30, something like that. I'm very bullish Binance. I think this can go easily to 360 minimum. To me, Binance is a big competitor of Ethereum, and as far as I'm concerned, Ethereum will bleed in the next 2 years because its fees are just too high. And any DeFi on Ethereum, honestly, it just costs you too much money. Ethereum has to do something, and it needs to go to proof of stake quickly. Otherwise, it's going to lose a lot of business. People are already DeFis and whatnot are already moving off that platform because it's too expensive and going to cheaper platforms like Cardano, Tron, etc. So I think Ethereum is going to be in a big, very bad position in the next year or so. Dot's up 5%, we have that. Tron's up 16%, we have that. VeChain, we have. Avalanche is looking, very good. We're in a lot of very, very good coins that have literally gone 50 to 60%. So the news today is quite huge. The Bank of New York Mellon, which I said yesterday, one of the oldest banks in America, has revealed that it will start funding Bitcoin and other digital currencies, which they're going to roll out to the new clients, and that they're a large custodian service. Now, as I said, they have 41 trillion of assets under management, which is massive. These are the assets they hold on behalf of their clients, and they're the biggest custodian in the world. So it basically puts crypto on the map. Crypto is going mainstream, whether the regulators like it or not. It is definitely going mainstream, and this is huge, okay? Also, an ETF, BTC, was created in Canada, one of the first of its type. Twitter Jack Dorsey is talking about making an allocation on his balance sheet out of cash, which is going down, US dollars, down, and into crypto. And this seems to be the trend for all corporates, okay? MasterCard has made, obviously MasterCard's getting involved. They want to add crypto to their network. Their partner is Wirex. We've got a position in Wirex on the trading side. They want to add lots more to their network. They can see there's a lot of money in this. PayPal was in there earlier. PayPal, is in America and everything else, but they're going to the UK, which is huge, okay? Kraken is investing early in crypto as well with fintech and crypto startups. Kraken are in Berlin, Hong Kong, London, New York, and they're going to make investments between 250,000 to 3 million. Now, don't forget, Kraken got a banking license as well in Wyoming. Now, the interesting thing about Binance, they're already in this space. They've been making heaps of investments in the last couple of years. This is why Binance coin is so profitable and the coin is still cheap. at $136. Binance also have Binance Smart Chain, which is in direct competition with Ethereum, okay? They've already done 24 billion transactions this month and rising. And also they already had 66 dApps on their system already, okay? And other projects. Binance is an amazing, amazing story. Now, Uber is also considered crypto for payments because it's certainly good for business for those guys where you can pay in crypto. Amazon is hiring developers, engineers, softwares to launch potentially their own digital cryptocurrency. And this is out of Mexico, which is fantastic for them, okay? Now, what all this means is corporates in America that are holding anything, apparently the figures are they hold over $1 trillion in cash. And if cash is going down like the US dollar, which it is, it's at 104.98, and that thing looks quite vulnerable to me. It could go through 100 any time because of all the debt that is increasing in the US and being issued and put into the market. It means the US dollar is extremely vulnerable, okay? Now, interest rates are very expansionary, as I said. Interest rates won't be going too high in terms of yield. The US 10-year bond is at 1.15. And, given the equity market looks overboard, definitely overboard, and it looks like it's in a consolidation phase and potentially rolling over, it will not surprise me if more and more people come into this crypto market. Okay, the market cap of the crypto market is still very, very low when we consider it to other markets, other fiat markets, okay? It's extremely low. And as far as I'm concerned, this market cap can go much higher than 1.46 trillion, okay? It's just huge. Now, there's a lot of things coming out. Carver testnet launches on the 11th of 12th. There's a QTUM airdrop of QIAD on the 14th. Cosmos upgrade on the 18th. Cosmos hub launch on the 28th. Chainlink integrates with another platform that needs its services. Chainlink is just killing it, man, killing it. Turkey finishes piloting the CBDC program. Facebook is also ready to launch their stable coin the first quarter, and Flare is going to be integrating in the second quarter with Litecoin, and then you've got DOT that launches its own Substrata 3. A lot is going on here, I have to say, honestly. And when we look at the top stories, Twitter's Dorsey's Bitcoin trust, he's going to promote a Bitcoin trust in and Bitcoin development in Africa and India, which is super. Even Miami Council is looking about paying workers' salaries in crypto, okay? And, this just means that crypto is, digital currency is the way to go. There is no doubt about that, okay? And it means that, even Wall Street's got to think about, these digital currencies because, honestly, you cannot avoid it anymore. That's a fact, right? We see Bitcoin, pressing on the highs. I've got a target of 54,215. Okay, so it's very, very bullish indeed, and I cannot honestly see this market going down too much. That's a fact. Okay, it really, really looks very, very good to me, I have to say, and I think it goes a lot higher. Okay, now that's a fact. Now, if you look at the social media, what's been talked about most overnight was the graph. We had that. Cosmos, we had that in our investment portfolio. Ocean Protocol, Tron, we have BAT and Digibyte. Okay, that was the main social media thing. And if we look at our trading models, we're getting very bullish. 89 out of 9 versus 9 stories. Okay, which are very, very bullish indeed. And basically 10 out of 10 is everything we've got in our investment portfolio, including Swipe, Ox, Atom, AVAX. I mean, we have all these, which is amazing, okay? Tron, XLM, XRP is even up there at 8 out of 10. Cardano, it's all the ones that you would expect that are performing very well, okay? Bitcoin, QTUM, and the like. So this is a pretty amazing story, I have to say. And I'm very, very bullish cryptocurrencies, just simply because of the people that are coming into this market. It is going to be huge, this rally, when it comes. And as I said, Wall Street bankers are getting closer to adopting Bitcoin, and they're certainly feeling the heat because, banks like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are being asked by their clients, when are they going to get into Bitcoin, okay? And honestly, I would be, for anyone that's selling this market, it doesn't make a lot of sense, okay? Doesn't make a lot of sense either way, because the market is going so much higher than where it is now, and it doesn't. I don't understand why anyone is shorting this market. Okay, what we're finding is small coins are starting to rally now. Low caps are rallying, mid caps, and even the very large caps, and it's quite amazing. So I can only be ultra bullish cryptocurrency at the moment. So let's see where this goes, and thank you very much for listening.